Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll be doing an extra long set, and I'll be doing foil design on it with some little glitters. I got this foil from AliExpress and it's been a while. I've not had the opportunity to use them very well like that because I didn't really have a good transfer foil transfer glue. So I got this from Rosalind a while back and I've discovered that it's very good. So I'm going to be trying to use this particular one. I've cut it out already. I'm going to try to use this and create a kind of design. So come along with me. If you're coming across my channel for the first time, my name is Ademido Abimbola. I'm a nail technician based in Lagos State, Nigeria. All I do on this channel are product reviews, nail tutorials, and a little bit of vlogging. If you like what you see on this channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of the family. And while you're subscribing, you can turn on the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. So this foil gel is a UV LED gel, so that is a soak off gel, so you have to cure it in the UV lamp for 60 seconds before you apply your foil on it. So I hope and I pray that this transfers well. Or should I put it here? Or should I put it here? Okay, I think I'm going to change the design. So don't let it be too close to each other. So I'm going to be curing this for 60 seconds before I apply the transfer foil. I hope that it transfers very well. So I'm going to be using this on this. So I want to set this place to be exactly. No. Okay. So okay. So I'm going to rub it very well so it can transfer very well. I hope it does. 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 Okay. Yeah, I think it's okay. Can you see it? Yes, we did a good job. So I'm going to be turning the other side to use it for the other hand too. No wastage in my dictionary. So setting. Yes. Setting. It's actually enough for the two. I was thinking it won't be enough. So rub it again, rub it very well. Okay, there's this tool I've seen people using to actually rub it very well. I don't have that, and I can use my finger. So I know, please don't mind my nails. I want to do them again. I've not been a chance to do my nails. So rub very well, rub it very well. Then you take it off. Can you see it? Can you see it? This is so nice. So I'm going to start by applying acrylic powder at the back. It's going to be in form of an ombre. So I said it's going to be in form of an ombre. I won't take much because I won't want it to cover the pattern. So you're supposed to push back, drop the bead, push back, and swipe forward. So that is that. So that is that. So I'm going to go to this. I'm not using primer for this particular set because I'm using a model's fingernails. It's going to take this off take it off very soon. So that I'm not using a primer. If you're doing this for your clients, you have to use a primer so the nails can last very long. So okay. So can you see it? So pretty, right? Okay, so on this we'll be doing the full acrylic on these fingers, on these nails. Remember, when you're doing your acrylic application for long nails, especially, make sure your acrylic application is smooth, it's not too thick, so that you don't have to file hard. So drop again. Pass backward, then pull forward. If you notice your brush is drying, you can dip it back into your acrylic liquid and continue your application. Make sure you blend everything well into each other. Drop close to the cuticle, not at the cuticle area, so you can push backward. So I'm going to put small A. Just small. Then maybe probably at the tips as well. Okay. So I'll try not to speed up the acrylic application for this particular finger, so you can see the way I did it very well. This is the speed of my application. I'm using a colored acrylic powder. I don't need to cover it with clay. So I'm done with my application, and this is it. I'm going to show you the remaining one when I'm done. So we're going to be encapsulating this with clay. So encapsulate. Please don't mind my background noise. My area is a little bit noisy. So this is what it looks like after application. This is also what it looks like after filing and shaping, then I'm buffing. I'll be doing some line work design on it. I'm not that perfect with my line work. I'm still learning because I don't like drawing. So now I'll be doing some line work, and this line work actually took time. I did not want to fast forward the video. Even this is already fast forwarded to about 1.5. I don't know, 1.5 speed. The speed is 1.5 instead of the regular one. So I have divided the video into two so that you can see the full line work in the part 2. So this is the part 1. I'll be showing part of the line work here. So just bear with me. I just don't want this video to be too long. If you're still watching this video and you're yet to subscribe to my channel, kindly consider subscribing to become part of my family. Just click on the red subscribe button below, and that will be all. You can also turn the notification bell to all so you get notified anytime I upload a new video. Don't forget to like this video, leave a positive comment, and also share to anyone that I think might be interested in learning something new. Thanks for watching, everyone. I appreciate your support at all times. Thank you for always coming back to watch my content. Watch out for the part 2 of this video, this tutorial I mean, which is the concluding part of this tutorial. Till next time, bye.